understand English, but when you try to speak, your mind goes blank. You know the words, you know the grammar, but you just can't speak fluently. If that's you, then this video can change you in the next 7 days. Not theory, not grammar, just a simple method that actually works. Let me tell you something honestly. Most people learning English these days are not bad at English. They are trained the wrong way. You learned grammar rules, you learned vocabulary, even watched English movies. But nobody trained you to speak. So what happens? When someone starts to speak to you in English, your brain starts thinking, overthinking, translating and searching for the perfect words. And in that moment, you freeze and then you say, I can understand English, but I can't speak. When you check my comment section of older videos, you can see a lot of comments. The same comment, I can understand English, but I can't speak. So if you are among that group, then this video will help you improve your English in 7 days. Now listen carefully. Fluency is not about how much you know. Fluency is about how fast you can respond. So today, I'm going to give you a 7-day English speaking challenge. If you follow this properly, you will start speaking English without fear. No partner needed, no expensive course, just you and your voice. Day 1, start speaking. Day 1 is very simple. Start speaking. Speak alone for 5 minutes. Topic: talk about your day. But wait, there are some rules. Don't try to be perfect, don't stop, and don't translate. Just speak. For example, today I woke up at 8 a.m. I had my breakfast, I got ready, I went to work. Like that, continue speaking. What happened today? Remember, even broken English is okay because today your goal is not fluency. Your goal is to remove fear. Day 2, think in English. So on day 2, start thinking in English. From morning to night, try this. Instead of I need to drink water, say in your mind, I'm feeling thirsty. I should drink water. Train your brain to think directly in English. We sometimes think what we want to say in our native language and translate that to English. Let's stop that. Try to think directly in English because translation is your biggest enemy. Day 3, repeat and shadow. On day 3, we are going to listen and repeat. Take any short English video that you like. Now listen to one sentence, pause, and repeat exactly like the speaker. This technique is called shadowing. You should try to copy the speaker. You should try to copy the tone, the speed, and the pronunciation. This will make your speech sound more natural. You can choose something that is interesting, that you like. You might like some type of English. Some people like British accent, some people like American accent. You can choose the one that you like and try to copy that speaker. Now that's day 3. Day 4, small sentences. On day 4, we are going to speak in small sentences. Most people get stuck because they are trying to speak, long, perfect sentences. Don't. Instead of, I was thinking that maybe I should go outside because, instead of all this, say in chunks, small sentences. I was thinking, maybe I should go outside because I'm bored. Break it. Break your sentences. Simple sentences equals faster speaking. Let's move on to day 5, real life speaking. So on day 5, we are going to speak in English in real life. You can do even small things. Order food in English. talk to a friend, or speak to yourself in the mirror. Now, if no one is there to help you out, just record your voice. This step is important because practice without pressure builds confidence. Day 6, 3-2-1 method. Do the 3-2-1 speaking method. Choose a topic. First, speak about that topic for 3 minutes, then the same thing for 2 minutes, and again the same thing for 1 minute. You will notice each time you speak clearer, faster, and better. This builds fluency very fast. This is one of the techniques that I use to coach my students. During my English speaking practices training sessions, I usually give this activity, the 3-2-1 talk. And this has helped lots of students to arrange their thoughts and speak fluently. I provide English speaking practice classes, one-on-one sessions. If you want to join, WhatsApp me on this number. Day 7, final test. Final challenge. Speak for 1 minute without stopping. No anything, no such fillers, and no long pauses. Just speak. You will feel the difference. Not perfect, but better. And that's progress. I'm not telling you can speak English fluently in 7 days, but you can definitely see improvement, progress if you try these techniques properly. Let me tell you something important. You don't need perfect English to speak. You need confidence and practice. Mistakes are not your problem. Silence is. Now I want you to do something. Comment below Day 1 done after you complete today's task. And keep on editing your comment. The next day, type Day 2 complete. Like that, keep a track of what you're doing. And don't forget to complete all the 7 days. I read your comment, and if you want, I can create more such challenges for you. You might have already spent years learning English. Now it's time to start speaking. Not tomorrow, not next week. Today, now it's the time to speak. Start your day 1 right now. So that's all for today, guys. I hope this video was helpful for all of you. Thank you for being a part of this journey. I'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.